Yeah, we've done MFA for our staff for a while now, and to be honest, rolling it out to the first grade classroom was easier than any of the staff implementations that we've done. And the kids actually like it, unlike staff members. So yeah, we had a first grade classroom with a kind of a tech forward teacher, and the back end setup was super easy. And the kids they haven't missed a step since we implemented it. And it's been about a month or 2 months or so that they've been using it. The teacher said the other day, I talked to her yesterday, and she said they had one kid who was absent for a while and forgot his pictures. And it was just super easy for her to go in and void the old pictures and start over again. Took, less than 5 minutes for them to get set up again. And to be honest, it's just a super cool thing for these kids to start learning these practices early in their, school career as they start building these kind of habits of security when they're online.